To change message or text notification sound for one person on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app, tap the conversation of the desired contact you'd like to change its notification sound, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap notification sound. Now select the desired notification sound you like to use. Tap the back key to save the change. By doing this, when the selected contact texts you, your phone will play the selected notification sound. Given to the function, you can set a different notification sound for your favorite contact, so you can easily notice their message. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.